Alright, what's happening, guys? Today we're going to discuss a little G-body business. We have my buddy Pegasus, aka Silent P. This is 82 Malibu Wagon. It was originally a V6 car. And I'm assuming the Wagon over any of the other G-bodies because of the weight over the rear wheels?
Yep.
Alright, yeah, that's what I'm assuming. I'm getting nothing but yups out of him, but that's alright. It's to be expected. This is a Vortec roller engine, and it's got, from what I understand, new rod bearings, lifters, new lifters, no new lifters, just a really badass cam. It's got a badass cam. Did you change your pistons? So factory dished pistons. All right, and that's pretty much it then, is a cam, an intake, and a carburetor. And from what I understand, this thing's actually pushing some good little power for what it is. You think it's over 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, over 400. So what we're going to do today is go for a little ride, maybe do a little drive-by. And I think, I'm not really sure, but I think we're going to hate on these tires. I hear they were talking about my mama. Oh, and you got a mini spool in this hoe too. Yeah, I also got a mini spool, so no one wheel peel, no one tire fire. All right, let me try to change my grip on the phone because I don't want to lose it. And away we go. I'm not getting that launch feel though because you're spinning so bad. I already know it. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us. Oh man, that's bad motherfucker right there. That's pretty fun. That is alright. That is pretty fun.